name's Emily. I work in the sustainability service and I'm here today to show you how to repot a plant. So all you're going to need is a bigger pot, some compost, the plant you want to repot, and also a butter knife or something flat to kind of put around the edge of your pot here. So you'll know when you need to repot your plant if it's looking a bit big or if the roots at the bottom are starting to grow out. So all you need to do is grab yourself a bigger pot, preferably with some holes at the bottom to help with drainage. If not, just pop some gravel in there. Then what you need to do is pop some compost in, and a good way to gauge how much to put in is if you pop a bit in the bottom, put your plant in, and roughly measure the top of the plant pot here with your new one there. So all you want to do then is get your butter knife, run around the edge, give a bit of a squeeze, and then flip it over very gently, and then squeeze your roots a little bit to make sure they'll start to grow outwards when you repot it. Pop it in, get your fresh compost, put it all around the edge, press it down, water it, and you're done. Thank you.